Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley and today we're going to be doing this low-key glam makeup. I like doing this kind of makeup when I take selfies, so if you want to see how I create this look, definitely keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. So just one quick thing before I start, I just want to mention that all the links for the products that I'm using are going to be mentioned down below. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I really like this primer because it smells good and it's lightweight. It's not a cream, it's like a gel. And it feels nice on the skin. Like it really does hydrate your skin. So I really like it. Next step is we're going to go in with some foundation. I'm going in with the Hello Happy foundation. I use shade 2. I really like this foundation because it is very lightweight and still medium to full coverage. I've been loving using this brush. Honestly, like the name is kind of worn out on the brush, but it's like a kabuki brush. The next step is concealer. Lately, I've been loving the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer. It is super full coverage and it looks like a pencil. Like that's just a bonus. Look at that. It's so cute. I love this packaging. So just doing that normal concealer like I did in the last video. So now that I have the concealer in place, I'm going to take a wet beauty sponge. I'm just using a regular beauty blender and I'm just gonna dab this in, but I'm really gonna make sure to dab it and not rub it, because if I rub it, it's gonna remove the foundation from underneath and it's just gonna make it a super patchy mess. So when I'm doing concealer, what I like to do, just to kind of avoid creasing, I like to look up while I'm dabbing the sponge here, because it kind of really removes those lines, especially if you're using a wet beauty sponge. It just really helps, in my opinion. Anyways, next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 3. I really love this brow pencil. So I just lightly stroke it, make sure that it's all filling out. And I just like to make this corner look a bit more like an arch, instead of my eyebrows looking like they're drooping down, because that's literally what they're doing, is they're drooping. I don't know if that's a word, but I made it a word. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So that same thing that I did with the concealer, I look up with the powder and I pat it down to make sure all of it is set in place. It's now time for the eyes. So today we're going to be using this little eyeshadow palette. The colors are super cute, so it looks like that. It's $19.95. I think I checked today because I know I was going to talk about this product because I love it. I got it in a recent Ipsy bag. Very cute. I love it. So I'm taking a brush like this, and I really don't know where it's from. I just get these random brushes in Ipsy bags, and now I'm just gonna put this over here, blend it up just a bit. And you don't have to use this palette. You can use literally any palette, as long as there's like a dark shade like this. And it's not even too dark. By the way, I took the only matte shade on there, and the rest are shimmers, which we are gonna get into in a fat second. Basically what I did is I made sure to work it towards the corner here. And it's okay if anything falls, like any like normal fallout, whatever. It's totally fine. You can clean this up after. That's why I didn't do my face makeup first. Like, yes, I did my foundation and concealer, but I didn't like go full out with the highlighter and the contour yet, because just in case I have to clean anything up, I still can without taking anything else off. I'm content with the way this looks. I'm actually just gonna swatch them for you so you can see how beautiful these colors are. Pretty. Anyways, so I'm actually going to be using this one here, the pinkish one. Right, before I put this on my eye, I grabbed my setting spray and I'm just going to spray this at the brush just one time. And I'm putting it in the corner lid. I'm just grabbing a different brush now because I want to see if it applies differently now that this brush isn't wet. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. And into this corner. I grabbed a eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. I'm just putting in the same eyeshadow color as the first one we used, just on the bottom portion of my eye. So that's the eyes. I just need to curl my lashes and put mascara on. So I just use this regular looking lash curler. I use the Clarins mascara. I've been loving this mascara. The wand is very neat. The mascara is not chunky at all. Alright. So that's the eyes all complete. Now, I love using this contour brush from the Sephora brand. My mom got me this thing one year for Christmas. It was like this big package full of just makeup brushes from Sephora. I've showed you guys this before, but if you haven't seen my other videos, I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. I love it. I like to suck in my cheeks when I do this because it shows where it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Now that that's done, I highlight the top parts of my face with the middle shade. Same brush, so like right here. Nose contour. Now that that's done, I like to take a flathead brush, any flathead brush, and I just dab in that middle highlighting shade of the palette and just drag that down in the middle bridge part of my nose, because what I did is I went in on one side and then the other side, if you weren't able to watch me do that, and then through the middle. Last part of the face is the highlighter, and then it's the lips, and then we're done. So highlighter, I'm using Becca Cosmetics. Same highlighter as last video. If you guys haven't seen the last video, it's the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder in the shade color whatever Pearl. So I just grab this little like angled brush, go down the nose. I also just do this because it looks cute in a picture when your eyebrow is highlighted. Before I put away the highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my highlighting brush. I use the M501 brush by Morphe and just go in with it like that. Now, my favorite lip liner is and I'm using it today, is the Backseat Love lip liner by Morphe. and it's called Backseat Love, the color. Now this is actually sold as a lip set trio. I'm just going to announce it real quick. It comes with the lip liner. Usually it's like a full-size lip liner. I'm almost done mine. Lip liner and Backseat Love, and then it comes with a lipstick. It's called Wifey, and it's the cutest lipstick. It's my favorite color right now. It's like a nude. I love it. And then it comes with a lip gloss in the color Pop. That's what it looks like in the packaging. And then what I do is just in the middle of the lip, I add the lip gloss, just the middle. And basically to finish everything, I'm just gonna use this makeup setting spray. It's the All Nighter by Urban Decay. It's super good. Love this stuff. All complete. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And I just want to say a big thank you if you've watched it till the end or this far. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video.